Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from Carwow. Very welcome to this video. Got a good drag race for you. So I've got my Audi RS6 long-term daily driver. Next to me is a Tesla Model 3 Performance, and we're going to see which is the quickest over a standing quarter mile. Let me tell you about my RS6. It has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 600 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. It drives all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with a torque converter, though it does have launch control. It's quite a heavy car, this. Weighs 2,075 kilos. It's expensive as well. £94,500 starting price. Now this one I'm sat in with all the kit on it, it's almost £120,000. Speaking of which, what do you think of the exterior and interior colour combination? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know by way of emoji in the comments. Think of what emojis you can use to describe the colour combination of this car. Anyway, moving on to that Tesla. That's just a very plain, boring looking blue. Maybe you prefer that. So it has two electric motors, one at the front, one at the back. Combined, they produce 490 horsepower, 660 Newton meters of torque. Surprisingly, despite all its batteries, it's lighter than this car, 1,849 kilos. Also quite a bit cheaper, £56,500. Now I'd like to give a special thanks to the guy in that Tesla. It's Richard Simons, and he's from rsev.co.uk, and he sells a load of used Teslas and some other electric cars as well. Finally, I'd just like you to follow us on Instagram as well. It's just Carwow. Get loads of behind the scenes stuff. Find out about what we're filming even before we post it on YouTube. Oh yeah, so go to that. Anyway, let's do this race.
Buying a new car? Then head to Carwow, and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Before we do the drag race, let's do the standard Carwow sound check. I think I might win this one, even though this Audi has a soft limiter. And petrol particulate filters are killing the noise from exhausts. That's all right. Go on then, rev up the Tesla. Make it rev. He's just going like in his seat. I'm probably going brum, 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 brum. Do you know what? This sounds so bad at revving at a standstill. I think I prefer the sound of that just being silent. This will sound better when it's moving. It really will. Does that Tesla have launch control?
The Model 3 doesn't have launch control. You do have track mode. You just hold the brake. It's got hold on, let go of the brake, just floor the throttle when it will go.
Will it go quick enough? That's what we're about to find out.
3.
Come on, beat the Tesla, beat the Tesla, beat the Tesla.
2.
One last hurrah for the dinosaur-powered machine.
1.
Come on! Smashed him off the line. I think it might have been because of my reaction time. Boom shakalaka. Even though it's a bit damp, smashed him. Maybe if you did have launch control, you might have got off the line a bit quicker.
It just bogged on me. I think maybe we were sat there so long waiting for your car to make noises. Let's try again.
All right, let's give it another go. Did you charge it up this morning using renewable sources?
Yeah, it must have been some kind of slow wind or something. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe it wasn't sort of premium electricity. Let's try.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, neck and neck. Oh, he's had me off the line. Oh, it's slow. What's... Oh, crap. Oh, he's so slow. I'm coming past now. Can I catch him? Yeah, you may dance. I was rubbish on my reaction time. It's only fair. 1 each. Best 2 out of 3. I need to improve my reaction time. Need to channel my inner Yanni. Come on. Come on.
All about the reaction time.
Yeah, jingle, jangle, jewellery, brand everything. Brand everything. Lambo, all day, every day. Oh, rose gold. Right, let's see, I'm ready. Come on. Blah.
3, 2, 1.
Got him that time. Thanks, my inner Yanni. Oh, it's so close with the first bit. Come on! Come on now, the RS6 should stop pulling. He's gone now. He's gone. He's had it. Boom shankalanka. Oh, that was sweet victory. So with best 2 out of 3, looks like the old petrol fossil fuel driven vehicle is the quickest, even though it is twice the price of your car. It only won by a small margin. Were you happy with your start? Were you okay with it? It's quite funny actually, because I took off a little bit quicker than you, then you pulled it back as I'm changing gears because you've got no gears, and then when we're at higher speeds this just starts to form a bit of a lead and start to increase it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think the faster you go, the more you're going to pull away easily.
So then what exactly happened? Well, when both cars got a fair start, the Audi completed the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds, while the Tesla crossed the line in 11.8 seconds.
Now we're going to take the launch out of the equation and we're going to do a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. This car's in its comfy mode, full automatic for the gearbox. That's just in its normal mode, so track mode off. We're going to see what's going to happen here. I think I know. Let's do it anyway. This is a real world test rather than a drag race, which no one ever does really, or shouldn't do. I'm going to count it in now. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down. That's like a car length ahead of me by the time this thing kicks down. 112. Am I going to ever catch it? No, it's bottled out. If I had a long enough runway, I might have caught him, but we're talking like 150 miles an hour. Now I want to take that gearbox kick down out of the equation. That Tesla is in track mode again. So, manual mode for the gearbox and 3rd gear. Come on then, Richard, let's do it. Are you ready then? 3, 2, 1, go. You didn't get ahead quite so much that time. What speed am I coming past him at? There we go, 124. Smashed him. You didn't get such a jump on me that time, did you? And I came past you around 120 miles an hour, so never in the UK, but definitely on the Autobahn.
Yeah, fair play. As long as you manage to find your sport settings on your gearbox and get it ready, you stand half a chance.
Let's try it again, but do something slightly different. Now we're going to do the race again, but this time I'm going to be in 2nd gear and the car at 35 miles an hour. See what difference that makes. Go on then, Richard, get level. Hey up, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. That Tesla shoots off at lower speeds. Really does shoot off. Can I get past him? Can I get past him before he bottles it? I'm going to keep my toe in. Don't brake yet, Richard. Now I'm smashing past you at 140. And relax, it's all fine, Matthew. It's all fine. Right, that wasn't so good for me that time. At those lower speeds, you know, around town, then taking off into a national speed limit, that thing just rips, doesn't it?
Just instant. Pretty much any speed, it just goes, and torque is just addictive, effortless.
I did come past, but it took me a lot of speed. Still going to give it to this though. We're on a runway. It won. Okay, finally, we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour when we reach line full emergency stop. Right, Rich, let's go. We'll be doing around 70 miles an hour. Here we go. Get level. So you've got to look at me and you've got to look for the line. Here comes the line. I shall put that down. There we go, here's the line. I lose every bloody brake test there is.
Le who? The her.
2 wins to the Tesla. 3, in fact, if you're taking 2, it's 1 drag race victory. 4 wins to this, although the ones in the rolling race, they're at high speed. It's very close, isn't it? I think overall, I'm going to give it to the RS6 just because I'm driving it. Hey, you know what I'm like. Big thanks to Richard Simons for bringing that Tesla along. Anyway, thanks for watching.